Hey guys, I just posted a video. This video is about just got a new gaming keyboard. This is a Corsair k55 RGB. In it, there's really nothing in the box. Just a warranty guide. It's a keyboard, and there was nothing else. There's no key capper or anything, key remover, whatever it's called. So basically, this is the keyboard. It has these side buttons. I'm gonna turn on my computer. I don't have a PC, but just gonna turn on my computer so you guys can see how it is. Should turn on any minute now. I don't know. There we go. Hold up, I'm gonna do something so it just stays on real quick. Oh, so it's dead, but this is how it is right now. How it lights up. My computer's dead. That's what I meant. So we have the volume buttons here. MR, don't know what that means. Lock mode and brightness mode. And then record button, so I think I can clip stuff on here. Page down and delete. Insert. Home. Page up. Print screen. Scroll lock. Pause break. Up arrow, down, side arrow, down arrow, and the other side arrow. The number pad. We have escape, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. Normal numbers, no ones. Arrow, tab, spacebar. So yeah. It's a pretty good keyboard. It's my first gaming keyboard. That was my original keyboard. It's not just normal Logitech, but I got this from Target for $50. Pretty good keyboard in my opinion. I don't really play keyboard and mouse. Usually play controller. I'm a controller player, but I might practice on this keyboard. Tell me how you guys put your keyboard position. Here's some ASMR. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day. See ya.